In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make image transparent in Canva. If you've ever wanted a photo to sit softly behind text, create a subtle watermark or blend elements for a cleaner layout. Adjusting transparency is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what to expect on screen, and share a few simple tips to help you get a polished result. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be a new project or an existing one you are editing. Give the page a second to load so everything in the toolbar appears correctly. Once you are in, look at your canvas and decide which photo or element you want to soften. Transparency works on individual items, so you'll always begin by selecting the specific object you want to adjust. Click on the photo or element. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it, and the top toolbar becomes active with options related to that object. If you accidentally click the background or another item, just click again on the correct element to make sure it's highlighted. Next, click the transparency icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a small checkerboard pattern. This icon appears only when an element is selected. So if you don't see it, reselect the photo or element. The transparency control will open as a slider, ready for fine-tuning. Now, drag the slider to the left to decrease opacity. As you move it, you'll see the image fade in real time on your design. A slight move left creates a gentle softening, while further left gives you a very light, almost see-through look. Keep an eye on how your text and other elements interact with the image as you adjust. The goal is to create enough contrast so everything remains easy to read. If you are layering text over a photo, a modest reduction often works well, while background decorative elements may benefit from going lighter. Take your time and move the slider slowly to find the sweet spot. If you go too far and the image looks washed out, simply slide it back to the right to restore more visibility. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.